Subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell for all future notifications. Alright guys, so to start off with, I'm going to pick this Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Eraser Primer and I'm going to work with it around my T-zone area just to make sure that my pores are filled and they do not really show up after the makeup. And then for my face, I'm going to take a pump of this Kiko Milano Liquid Highlighter and I'm going to massage it on my face because I wanted a really dewy and glowy makeup look. And then for my foundation, I'm going to use this one from Nykaa. I've used this just twice, but I love the finish of this on my skin. It's beautiful. Actually, beautiful is an understatement. It's actually way more than that. And then I'm going to pick this YBP Makeup Perfector, which is my ultimate favorite, and I'm going to blend the foundation in. I try to, move away from this sponge a lot of times, but I keep on coming back to it because it's just amazing. And once everything is blended in together, I'm going to use two of my concealers. Now, this one is from Colourpop Cosmetics and this one is from Maybelline Age Rewind range. Actually, both of them mixed together work really well for me because the Age Rewind one is quite lighter and the undertone is also a little peachy for my skin tone. Now, taking the pointed side of the Makeup Perfector and after keeping the concealers for like 30 seconds to get that full coverage look, I'm going to blend everything together and I'll make sure that everything is like put together. Then digging into the Sugar Face palette, I'm going to pick the contouring shade and very lightly contour my cheeks and my nose and my chin. I'm not taking any extra product, or whatever I have taken on the first swipe, I'm going to use that only. And then to set the concealed areas, I'm going to take this banana powder from Makeup Revolution. Now, any sort of powder that has yellow tint to it helps in brightening your under eye area, especially for Indian skin tones. And and it doesn't really give you a flashback during flash photography as well. Now for my eyebrows, I'm going to use this one from Colourpop Cosmetics. This is from their Brow Boss range if I'm not wrong, and it's in the shade dark brown. Now I'm sorry guys, Colourpop Cosmetics is not available in India, but they do ship to India. But I'm not aware about the customs because my friend got it for me, so I'm not really aware about how that works. Now to prime my eyelids, I'm going to use the Colourpop Cosmetics concealer itself, and I'm not going to set it because I'm going to use a cream eyeshadow on my lids. So the one that I used was from Kiko Milano. It's a beautiful rose gold color. And then I'm going to dig into my Modern Renaissance palette and pick the shade Tempera to set all the other areas which were concealed. And when that is done, I'm going to pick this brown shade to work on my outer corners and into my crease to get a little more definition for the eye look. And once I'm satisfied with the depth, I'm going to pick this burnt orange shade from the same palette and I'm going to diffuse the outer crease to get that gradient effect and make sure that nothing is harsh or stark and everything looks more put together. Then picking this Vermeer shade with a very light hand, I'm going to pack this on my eyelids just to get a little more color, a little more glitter, and this is a very beautiful icy glittery shade, so I really like this for my inner corners as well. Now picking these two shades from the same palette, I'm going to work on my lower lash line, and I kind of did my mascara off camera, but I used this one which is Maybelline X Gigi Hadid, and this is how the final eye look looks like. And then coming back to my face, I'm going to pick the NYX Sweet Cheeks palette and I'm going to pick these two shades for my cheeks. And then for my highlighter, I'm going to go back to the Sugar Cosmetics face palette and I'm going to pick their highlighting shade, which is a beautiful everyday shade, but you can build it up for those special days, your party days as well. So I really like it. It's a really good budget palette. And then for my lips, I'm going to pick this Miss Claire Soft Creme in number 10. I wanted a red lip look, especially for Valentine's. So I'm almost done with this tube. That's why I had to go back again and again to get the best payoff. These are really good dupes for your NYX soft creams as well. So yeah, this is the final look, guys. I really liked it. This was not something that I planned, but it turned out to be really good. So if you're going to recreate anyway, then please do tag me in your pictures on Instagram. I would love to see you guys. And that's it. I will see you very, very soon on Friday. Till then, bye-bye, take care, and stay tuned. Subscribe if you haven't already. Spread some love around. I will be coming back to you very soon.